Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com, and today we're going to show you guys how to use a safety razor using nothing but a balloon. Okay guys, before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about the safety razor. Okay, the safety razor versus the straight razor. Okay, straight razor is definitely a lot more dangerous when learning. It's not dangerous period, but if you're going to learn, it's going to be a lot harder. It's going to be nothing like the straight razor, a safety razor. So I think the safety razor is a perfect introduction before attempting to use the straight razor. Okay, straight razor, we have a video on how to use a straight razor. I'll attach the link below in this video. It shows how to use a straight razor on a balloon, so you guys can go check that out. But I suggest start with a safety razor, learn how to do it, and then eventually convert into the straight razor. This is your initial, you want to get here eventually. And a lot of people they're in fear. A lot of people get scared because they know the straight razor can cut them. And you can see the blade poking out right here. You can see it's pretty sharp, and you have to know how to angle it, guys. That's the biggest thing. So initially, I would just start off with using a safety razor. The safety razor does the same job. The safety razor is a lot more safer. You have this part of the blade protecting you, protecting your face, and you have this part of the blade protecting you as well, and that blade is sit there in the middle. Okay guys, so that's what's really gonna protect you from getting cut. So when you're using a safety razor, you do not have to worry about getting cut at all, guys. Using a straight razor, you're gonna have to worry about it. You're gonna have to be more careful, but like I said, I would start off with the safety razor as an introduction before using the straight razor. So the first thing I'm gonna do is load this thing. With this particular safety razor, you unscrew the bottom, okay, take it apart, and we're using our signature double-edged razor, our Easy Blade signature double-edged razors. Okay, so we're using these. You can use the blade of your choice. These blades are made from Swedish steel, so it's made from the sharpest steel on earth. We want to go with something that was really quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this thing for you. So first thing we're gonna do is place it into the part we unscrewed, as you guys can see. Then we're gonna place this part over it. Make sure that your ridges are facing down. So you want to make sure they're down like that. Then you want to go ahead and grab your bottom of your razor and screw that. So when I said ridges, I meant these ridges that are inside of the safety razor. And as you guys can see, you can see the ridges, you can see the blade. Okay, you see there's a blade on each side. And the awesome part about using a safety razor is that these blades are gonna last you forever. So you can buy a 100 pack of blades like this, okay? And these things will last you way longer than your traditional big style razor that everybody uses, that you buy from your online monthly subscription blades and stuff like that. They'll last you way longer. This one blade will last you, I'd say, about 5-6 shaves. Just all depends how rough, how coarse your hair is, how much you shave. But they last pretty long. You can use this over and over and over and over. And the reason why barbers usually change the blade every time is for sanitary purposes. So when a barber uses a straight razor on a client, he has to, dispose of it because he's already used it on somebody and it has somebody else's skin. But if it's yours, you can wash it down just like you do with your regular razor. And this one blade will cost you nothing. You get a 100 pack of these blades for about $12, anywhere from $12 to $20, depending where you go. And these things will last you forever. Like I said, you get a 100 pack, you're sitting on blades forever. So let's go now. Now that we know how to load this thing, let's go ahead and learn how to use this thing. Okay guys, so the first thing we did was grab a balloon, blew it up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna apply some shaving cream. We're gonna go ahead and grab the Easy Blade brushless shaving cream. We also have shaving soap as well, but today we're gonna go with the shaving cream for video purposes. And you're gonna go ahead and rub that in there. And this is a brushless shaving cream, so you can just apply it, wet your face, apply it, and then shave, okay? Very strong, very premium, as you guys can see. Only took a small amount, rubbed it on the balloon. As you can see, it has a nice thick lather to it, okay? Rub that on there. Okay guys, so our next step is to learn how to use this razor. So if you were shaving your face with a safety razor, you wanna be sure to pull your skin. So the awesome part about a balloon is you can pull it like it's your skin. And what's the beauty about a balloon is that if it pops, you know you're doing it wrong. So what you want to do is basically hold the blade at a 30-degree angle. Okay, you want to place the razor on the balloon, and you want to stroke. You want to come down a little lower, and you can see, you can hear the balloon. So you know the blade is actually touching it. Okay, same thing over here. Push it down, hold it at a 30, and you know, just follow your, this like it's skin, pull it up, and pull it down. Now that balloon would have popped if I was holding the razor wrong. Pull it down. And you want to push. Same thing over here. Pull it down. Okay. Same thing, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Hope this video helped you guys out a lot. So that's how you do it, guys. You want to basically get a balloon, throw some shaving cream of your choice, grab a safety razor, and you guys want to just go ahead and practice those strokes. Now when you get to your actual skin, you want to do the same thing, guys. Learn how to pull the skin, push it down, and relax. Alright, guys, hope this video helped you guys out a lot. Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. I will talk to you guys soon.